firm it here, then put it on it because it's gonna hurt, right? So, but it's easy to look and you have to transfer all the way to the bed. Yeah, kind of sucks on the left here. Left sided.
Yeah, no, I know.
Shotgun, but they're usually more expensive because their chambers on the left side.
On the
Yeah,
opposite
you always have to.
Yeah, I know. Shooting 22s and stuff with my dad as a kid and stuff. Yeah, it was always back there.
Toss the board. All right.
No, I think shoot uphill.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna shoot into the sun. I can't shoot. No, I'm not gonna finish. The shot opens over the ball. No? Over the full. Yeah, I'll shoot it over the wood pile. Okay, full.
We should go trap shooting then. Yeah. Well, I have a buddy of mine, other buddy of mine. He does have a launcher, and we set him on it, and he's sitting there and pulling. We are lined up and we can blast.
Yeah.